creating motion control videos for free and unlimited times. Sounds impossible, but it's actually possible. Let me show you how. Let's start with the Kling official website. Every new account gets 66 free credits, which is enough to create a motion control video that's up to 12 seconds long. Now you're probably thinking, but there's a watermark. Come on, it's 2026. You still don't know how to remove a watermark? So what do you do after generating one video? Well, I've also uploaded video on email alias method as well. And the same trick works with the Kling website too. So our first website works perfectly, completely free and unlimited. Before we move on to the second website, there's something important you should know. I've already covered several free email services on this channel that let you create multiple accounts. More accounts mean more free credits, and more free credits mean you can keep generating motion control videos without paying. Now let's move on to the second website. I featured this one in a recent video, and it gives you 80 free credits with every new account. With those credits, I created this 10-second motion control video using the Kling 2.6 model, which cost 60 credits. Then, using a second account, I created another 10-second clip with the Kling 3 motion control model. Here's a quick tip. Don't generate a video immediately after creating a fresh account. Instead, wait a little while before generating your first video. Now the last method of today's video. First, bookmark any web page and rename the bookmark to token, so it's easy to find later. Next, open the website shown on screen, click Start Free, and create your account. Once you're signed up, you land on the dashboard. From the left sidebar, expand the Generate menu and select Batch option. Then tap on Add Account option. Expand the token drop-down and copy the JavaScript provided there. Now edit the bookmark you created earlier, replace the URL with the copied JavaScript, and save the bookmark. Next, head over to the VVAI website and open the Sign In page and wait until it finishes loading. Then bookmark this page too. Now sign into your VVAI account. Make sure you enter your login details manually. After signing in, click on the token bookmark you created earlier. It'll generate your account token, so copy it. Go back to the batch dashboard. Click Add First Account and paste your token. Your account is now added. On VVAI, you got 150 free credits. And those credits you're seeing on this dashboard right now. Once your account is connected, open the Videos section from the left sidebar. Upload your reference image and motion video, then choose the Kling model you want to use from the panel on the right. Just remember, every generation pulls credits from your VVAI account. For example, Shie, after creating a video with the standard Kling model, my credits dropped to 100, which you can see here. And if you ever want to remove an account, open the account pool section from the left menu and delete it from there. And that's it. Now, click on the video shown on your screen to learn how to create motion control videos using CDance.